Alright, what's up guys? Back again with another one. Amazing wild animals encounters. Love watching that's not kinda weird, like anyways, I picked this one because I like watching Animal Planet, animal encounters, whatever you want to call it. I love watching these type of videos, so let's get straight into it. Enough talking. Let's go. I don't know what I would do if I was ever in that situation.
Now that was too close for comfort.
I wouldn't have my daughter there.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
What if it drug her underneath? That water's so dirty. You couldn't see. Damn, I couldn't.
Oh, right.
Could not have my daughter's son in that situation. And why the hell are you doing that?
Печенюшки такая хрумкая, ну. Это правильно дело.
They must not know how strong this thing
Но с холодными.
animal is.
Не как у собаки.
Ну это, слышь, на улице не тепло, блядь.
Подожди.
Sorry, but to me this is stupid.
Ему мяса надо килограммов 5. Что мы тут печенюшка?
Unless this is a damn pet that they raised when it was small, I get it. But other than that, no. Sometimes I'm just like, humans are dumb. Sometimes we do the dumbest things. That's just dumb.
Attention in the water. Attention in the water. This is the Orange County Sheriff's Department. Be advised, State Parks is asking us to make an announcement to let you know you are paddleboarding next to approximately 15 great white sharks. They're advising that you exit the water in a calm manner.
Calm man.
The sharks are as close as the surf line. Thank you for your cooperation.
That's crazy.
Oh my god!
I don't see it.
It's okay.
Am I blind?
It's
What?
okay.
I don't know what I'm looking for. I gotta be blind.
It's okay, pretty good.
Pretty what? I'm blind.
Alright, that guy.
For real, guys, I'm blind. I don't know where the...
Smart freak out. That's amazing.
Oh, okay. Okay. I was like, I'm
Alright,
blind
go
as
that way.
Oh, damn. No comments.
Gonna fucking hit my ball. Standing on my ball.
Oh my
This is life force.
god. He's hugging Matt's golf ball. He's eating your golf ball right now.
Why would you get closer?
Matt, good shot. You're on the green, buddy. Let's go. Hey, we need that guy.
Damn, that's a big old crocodile. Damn. Wait, is that a crocodile? I couldn't tell.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Holy shit.
Damn, he got lucky. That's the sport. I know they take the risk all the time. This one's different. They take that risk.
Mate, I'm happy to not even compete ever again. Like, seriously, like to walk away from that, I'm just so stoked. And, oh man.
Ooh. would do if I was that second person in the back. Because what if that bear just make a sharp turn and start attacking me? Damn. That's a hippo. Damn, ripping.
No, no le voy a echar para no ir a buscarla.
Oh, that's a, I'm tripping. I don't know why I thought that was a
Be still. I told you to be still. If you drop it again, just leave it on the ground.
I seen footage of deers attacking humans just straight up. I would never have my kid out there like that.
Don't move. Don't move.
To me, this is crazy.
Back
That's
up one step
crazy.
slowly. Now stick your hand out with your other bread. No, no. Stick your other hand out with your bread. Okay, now just hold it out as far as you can. Now don't move. Ethan, be still slowly. Stick it out further so he doesn't nibble your fingers. Okay, now.
Damn.
Yeah, he's biting his arm.
Damn, got his foot twisted. Doing the death roll on that arm. Damn, both of them are hella big.
They're fighting for territory right now.
Ow!
Oh, I thought he snapped it off. I was like, damn.
Where? Oh.
Okay, keep going to the right, to the right, to the right.
Holy cow, look at that.
Damn.
Oh, he's gonna drown him now. He's gonna drag him in there and drown him now.
You think he's
You know,
out?
drag him in and drown
No,
him.
but that's what he's gonna try to do. Watch.
Yeah, he's gonna try to get him in the water
He's gonna get him in the water.
so he can swim.
Whoa, whoa.
Oh, I guess yeah, he's upside down.
I got you. That little one's coming
Brian,
at
they're
you.
pretty quick, Brian.
Hmm.
Yeah, they are.
He can barely stand up.
I wouldn't say that.
Until he gets bit. He can barely stand up.
Tooth snapped right off.
Oh, damn.
Man, that thing is huge.
Alright, that was Amazing Wild Animals Encounters. People should just stay in their own territory and mind their business. In certain situations, like the water, when you're going snowboarding, of course, you know, you take that risk when you do that. But going out, petting the, the stingray in the water and a couple of the polar bear, that's just crazy. Anyways, stay tuned for the next video. Peace.